welcome to the Writer's Workshop. And today I'm going to help you to set up your KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing account. If you're seriously thinking about self-publishing, well, you really need a KDP account because this is going to help you to sell your books not just locally, but internationally. To set up your account, you're going to need an email account. If you already have an email, then go to kdp.amazon.com and you're going to see a window like this one. This is the window that you're going to see. If you already have an Amazon account, you don't need to set up a new account. You can just sign in with the email you use for setting up your Amazon account, and you can just sign in. Once you click the yellow button, you're going to see a window like this one. And over here, where it says email, you're going to put the email you use for your Amazon account. And if you don't have an Amazon account, then you need to go over here at the bottom where it says create your Amazon account, and then use the email that you already have to open a new Amazon account. Once you set up your email and your password, you're going to receive a code in your email. They're going to ask you to enter this code. Once you enter the code, they're going to ask you to sign in again, and you're going to see a window like this one. This is your dashboard pretty much, where you're going to have all of your books. If you need to change the language, you can also change it. There's an option over here on the top, and it gives you a lot of options so you can translate all this information. But before you try to upload any of your manuscripts, instead of this over here, you're going to see something else that says verified account or set up your account. And you're going to click over here because before you do anything else, you're going to set up your bank account. Once you see the set up your account option, you click in there and you're going to see a window that looks something like this. This is your payee account. You're going to fill up all your information, your profile. This is where you're going to put all your bank account information and tax information. Once you set all this up, then you press save, and then you can start uploading your work. I hope this short video helped you to set up your KDP account. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to write them down here in the comments. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, share, do all the YouTube things that you need to do, and I'll see you next time.